Guys, what's up? My name is Gabby, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my curly hair routine with you guys. I'm also going to be sharing my curly hair journey, so if you want to hear about it, go ahead and stick around to the end. Alright, so I always start my curly hair routine by shampooing and detangling my hair. I've been using the OG-X shampoo for years at this point. It's sulfate free and it cleans your hair without stripping it of oils. I always make sure that I only shampoo my scalp and let the product run down my ends when I rinse it out. I usually wash my hair about once a week. If I work out, maybe I'll wash it twice a week. If it is one of those weeks where I wash it twice a week, I actually like to go in with the Coconut Co-Wash by As I Am. Once I finish shampooing, I like to condition and detangle my hair. I've been using the Garnier Whole Blends conditioner. It's really moisturizing and it has a lot of slip, which makes it really easy to detangle my hair. When I detangle, I use my fingers first and detangle it till it's about 90 to 95% detangled. And then I go in with a wide tooth comb and I just run through the rest of my hair. I also make sure that I part my hair into 4 sections and work through detangling it that way because it makes it a lot easier than trying to detangle it all at once. It's just a mission and half my hair ends up getting broken off. So trust me when I say make sure that you part your hair when you detangle it. Once I finish detangling my hair, I rinse it out and I put in deep conditioner. I usually switch out my deep conditioners pretty often just because I don't want my hair to get used to it. But I always find myself reaching for the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner and the Eden Body Works Deep Conditioner. I'll put links to all my products down below. But I really love those two. They're really nourishing and they always leave my hair soft. I also really like to use an oil with it. My oil of choice for deep conditioning my hair is black castor oil. I feel like it's just really good at nourishing my hair. But I also like almond oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. This time around, I tried out the Aunt Jackie's grapeseed and avocado oil. It was really good. I liked it. You can also use it as a pre-poo, but I didn't. I just put it in my deep conditioner. Okay, so here's the controversial part. I 9 times out of 10 will leave my deep conditioner in my hair overnight. I'm usually very busy, so I never really have time to just stick around and deep condition for about 30 minutes and wash it out. I don't do that. I just deep condition it, slap it in a bun, and then I wash it out the next day. If you don't like that, don't do that, of course. I don't think it's bad. My hair's still on my head. If you don't feel comfortable doing that though, you can always deep condition for anywhere between 30 minutes to 2 hours. And I like to also put a plastic bag or a plastic shower cap and then wrap it in a towel because that creates heat. Okay, now that I finished shampooing, detangling, deep conditioning, I'm gonna go into style. I always like to part my hair first and then I section my hair off into 4 sections using butterfly clips. Lately, I've been actually oiling before I put in any product. My older sister actually showed me this technique and it's been, for whatever reason, doing this technique helps my wash and goes last a lot longer. But once I put a little bit of oil, again, I went in with the grapeseed and avocado oil from Aunt Jackie's. I just put a little bit and then I went over it with leave-in. And the leave-in that I used this time is the As I Am Double Buttercream. I've been using this leave-in on and off for years. It's so thick and moisturizing and it smells really good. I think leave-in is probably the most important part of your wash and go because if your hair is not moisturized, it's 1000% going to get frizzy. So you want to make sure that you get a really good leave-in. Once I finish putting in leave-in, I like to go in with the curl cream. I've been using the Mixed Chicks Curl Sculptor Weightless Curl Creator. I really have been liking it. It's really watery, but it helps like smooth your hair down and it really defines my curls. Pro tip, I actually found this at Ross for $8. I highly recommend that you check out Marshall and Ross for their hair products. They actually offer really great hair products for really good prices. Moving on, once I apply leave-in and my curl definer, I like to go in with the gel. Putting in gel just really seals in the frizz and makes sure that my hair stays in place. I have been reaching for the Mielle Honey Ginger Styling Gel for months now. I haven't found any gel that works any better than this, honestly. It manages to define my curls without it getting too crunchy, which I really like. I don't like stiff curls that don't move. I really like flowy, fluffy curls. So I really like this product, and I love Mielle in general. So once you finish putting in all your products, the most important tip, and if you listen to anything in this entire curl routine, it should be this one tip alone. The most important part of your entire wash and go is to not touch your hair while it's wet. When you touch your hair while it's wet, it creates a lot of frizz and just kind of ruins your entire wash and go from the beginning. So make sure when you do this to just not touch it. I typically like to style my hair in the mornings, which allow me to be able to go through my day without having to touch it. If I do it at night, it's just no. So that was my curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I wanted to share my curly hair journey. From the time that I was really little, I straightened my hair. From the time, I can't even remember how long I straightened my hair for. It was for as long as I can remember. I would do that every single week from a really young age. And when I was about 10 years old, I actually got a relaxer. And so I relaxed my hair up until senior year of high school. I ultimately stopped because my hair, I don't know if it was because I was allergic to it or because I was ultra sensitive, but relaxing my hair was actually becoming a very painful, literally painful process. Like, it wasn't just like, ooh, it burns. Like, it was like, no, it burns. I remember the last time I relaxed my hair, it literally burned my entire scalp. It was my aunt at the time who would relax my hair. She knew what she was doing. She was a hairstylist, professional hairstylist. So she wouldn't keep it in for too long. She'd literally keep it in for maybe 2 minutes and my hair was already screaming. So I just decided that I'm not gonna go through this painful process anymore. I just stopped relaxing my hair. But I kept straightening and ironing it. I didn't at that point think that I was gonna actually go natural. I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna take a break from relaxing it. So I just did that for a year, and then I went to college and I actually met these 3 girls who had absolutely beautiful curly hair, and they actually inspired me to try and see what my hair looked like. At this point, I literally had no idea what my curly hair looked like. It was damaged, it was not growing, it was just a mess. Honestly, my hair was just a mess. Like, that's the only way I could put it. So I was like, you know what? Why not give it a try? Let's see what happens. Maybe my hair will get a lot healthier. So moving forward from about freshman year to junior year of college, I had my hair in a bun. I was the bun queen. So if you want me to share some curly hair transitioning styles with you, I definitely can. Go ahead and leave me a comment in the down bar if that's what you guys want. But I basically wore my hair in a bun for like 3 years. And yeah, that's what I did. And then the summer of junior year, I finally was able to do the curly hair chop, the big chop. I was finally able to do the big chop, and that I was over the moon. I was so excited. I have a picture actually, which I will share here. And after that, I've rocked my curly hair and I've loved it, and I will never ever go back to relaxing my hair. I actually haven't straightened my hair in like 2 years, I think, at this point. It's been a really long time. So I really hope that if you're going through the same process that I went through, that sharing my story can help you all. I would say that the biggest thing that helped me with transitioning was not putting any heat on it and just letting my hair be. When you manipulate your hair a lot, it makes it a lot harder for it to grow out. For the first 2 years of transitioning, I only put heat on my hair and I didn't see it grow or change at all. The last 2 years of my hair journey, I was able to grow my hair out to the point where I could do a big chop. I wouldn't put any heat, and I would make sure that you use really good products for your hair. Make sure that it's conditioned at all times. Like, take care of your hair, honestly. So that was my curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Comment down below with any products that you recommend. I'm always on the market for new curly hair products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, no. Hey guys, this is so bad.